Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today I'm going to be filming a get ready with me, and I'm excited to try out some of these products that I have in front of me. So if you want to see how I got this look, you're in the right place. But before we get started, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and just take a moment, hit that subscribe button along with the bell notification. That way you'll be notified when I upload new videos, which is every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So again, if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today we're going to try out a few new products. So this is going to be a little get ready with me. I'll try not to make this too terribly long. I'll do my best. The first new product I'm going to try out is the new Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. So I haven't even opened this yet. So this is what the jar looks like. Very pretty. And then you have one of those little dome shaped insides. Let me peel the little plastic strip off of here. They never design those little tabs long enough for someone who's got nails. There we go. Oh, isn't that cute? It's got an H. I don't know if you can see it with the glare of my eyes, or from the glare of my ring light there, but it's got an H in the center for Hourglass. So let me put the top back on. I'm going to shake a little bit of that out. So hopefully you can see some of that in there. And I'm just going to take, what is this? It's just a big old fluffy brush. I have already done my foundation. It's the same foundation that I used in the Battle of the Foundations last Thursday, and that's the Lancome Absolute VX Makeup. So I'll tell you right now, I do not like this foundation whatsoever. It did not give very good coverage. It's very heavy feeling. It's very greasy feeling, and it's really settled into a lot of my fine lines and pores. And like I said in the other video, I think it found some new ones I didn't even know I had. So I'm not going to blame the powder. This is just going to be a first time using it, so I'm probably not going to be able to give you very good thoughts on it unless it is just magical and can fix what this foundation looks like right now. Okay, I don't like that you don't get very much out. I've already used out what I've shaken out in the lid. That's going to be a problem for me. It's doing a darn good job of taking all that shine away. I did already set my under eyes with my Essence banana powder. Ooh, that did a really good job of making this foundation look more wearable. It's not like I'm going anywhere today, but it looked horrible. But the real test is looking close up in the mirror, so let's see. Wow, that's really, really pretty. It didn't dry out my skin in any way. It's not looking cakey. My nose just doesn't look like I even got any foundation on it. Okay, so we are done with that. Let's move on to the next product, which I'm going to actually freeze right here real quick. Go ahead and do my bronzer and my contour because I don't have any new ones to try out, and then I'll be back. All right, the next product I'm going to be trying is some blush. These are the new L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted blushes. I picked up the color 190 Bashful and 192 Just Curious. Now, these are scented, so they do smell like peaches. I haven't tried them yet, but I can open it. Oh, look, there's a little mirror inside too. I did not know that was in there. Nice surprise. Okay, so this is again 192 Just Curious and 190 Bashful. So let's hold them up side by side. I am going for more of a peach look today, so I think I'm going to go, it's weird. So I think I'm going to go with this one, because it's got more of a peach shade to it, which comes out looking different on the monitor for some reason. So I have already gone ahead, done my brows. I have on contour, bronzer, and highlighter. Everything I'm wearing today I will have listed down below in the description box. It's pretty. Okay, that is very, very pretty. I like the shade. Hey, it's a good match with my shirt today too. So keeping in line with the L'Oreal products, their new launches, we're going to try out the Paradise Enchanted Scented Eyeshadow palette. And these are the shades in there. And so you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So half and half. Half are matte, half are shimmers. There is no mirror in this one though, so I'm going to use, here it is. You know I don't have enough makeup brushes. If you saw the picture that I posted on Instagram, I'll see if I still have it on my phone, but I'll insert it right here. I got all my makeup brushes out so I could go in and do kind of a declutter. I had 426. Nobody needs 426 brushes, so I just donated a whole bunch of them. However, I just picked up all these Morphe brushes. I have a problem, you guys. I have a serious problem. So I'm going to be trying these out today and see how they work on my eyeballs. So these are some of my other Morphe brushes that I have. There's a pretty good chance I just ordered duplicates of ones I already have. I just tend to do that. I'll buy a brush because it looks pretty good online, and I'm too lazy to get up and go look and see if I have it already. So I love Morphe brushes. All right, these shadows do not have names to them. However, on the back, they do have numbers to them. So they've just basically numbered them 1 through 12. So I'm going to take the first shade right here, which is number 1, and I'm going to go all over my entire lid with that and bring that right up to my brow. Actually, you know what? I'm going to go with number 2. Number 1 is really, really light. That's better. That's more of a flesh color for me. And I'm using Morphe M441. Okay, that blended out really, really nice. Let's move on. Let's take the Morphe M139, and I'm going to go into this shade number right here, which is number 4. And I'm going to use that as my transition color. Okay. I'm loading up my brush, you guys. Loading up the brush. Not showing up all that well. Okay. Alright, moving on. I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm going to go into this tan shade right here. This is number 8. And I'm going to create my crease for my hooded eyes. It's actually kind of showing up a little bit. I don't want this to be a stark line there. Guys, I am getting my brush. I am really getting my brush in there. There we go. Get a little bit more color that way. Dang. Okay, now I went overboard. Out of anger, I went overboard. I'm taking a clean brush and just kind of blending it in a little bit better. I don't want any extra product on there. Okay, now that's kind of working out. So I'm going to go in with the Morphe E36 and pick up shade number 11 right there. And I'm going to go right into my actual crease with that. Only take it about halfway over my lid. Alright, the next brush I'm going to use is the Morphe G15. I have used this brush before, and it's a nice small flat brush. For my lid color, I'm going to go in with this color here, which is kind of the sparkly, creamy gold, a really light gold, like champagne. And I'm going to take that right on my lid. Woo! Hello. That one's showing up. Really like this brush because it really is the perfect fit to get in there and really cut your crease. Alright, that's pretty. I'm going to use the same brush. I'm just cleaning it off on my little sponge thing over here. And I'm going to go into this kind of a tanny, is tanny a color? No. A light brownish gold right there. That is color number 6. And I'm going to take that to the outer part of my eye. Let me grab a makeup mirror so I can look a little closer here. I'm not getting any fallout from this, so that's really nice. Curious to see how these would perform if I get them wet, so I think I'll do that. I'll lay this down first, and then we'll try getting it wet. I'm just going to use some of my Smashbox primer water. Spray myself. Okay, it does give a little bit more. That shimmer shade that I just took on my lid is really kind of blending into my crease shade. So I'm going to go back in and pick up a different color to go into my crease. And even though it's sparkly, I'm going to take this peach shade here, which is number 7. Just need to get something that's a different shade. Boy, that's darkening it up though. Woo! Alright guys, this is going a little bit off from what I was actually looking to do when I was kind of planning my eye look here. Let's go into Morphe M321. I'm going to go into, I'm going to do this shade right here, number 9. I'm going to take that under my eye. Just a little bit of this white shade number 1 and kind of highlight under my brow with that. Lighten things up a little bit. And I'm going to take that on the inner corner of my eye real lightly. I feel like I have just a muddy brown mess on my eyes right now. But, okay, sometimes mascara can fix things. So let me go ahead and put some mascara and some lips on, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I am back, and this is the completed look now that I have my lips and my mascara on. Like I said, mascara can fix a lot of things. It can also hide a lot of things if you have long, full lashes, like KarenReneBeauty has allowed me to get not only the KarenReneBeauty, but this new mascara that I am in love with, which happens to be Lancome Hypnose Drama. I have a sample. I've already ordered the full size of it. This is one coat on my lashes, you guys. This is what the brush looks like. It's It's got kind of a weird little curl, but it's so easy to get to both your bottom and top lashes. But look at that. I curled them long before I put the mascara on, and I haven't had to recurl them, and it'll stay this way all day and all night. They don't lose their shape on them, but I think that's pretty darn good mascara. Okay, let's go ahead and talk about each of these products, and I'll give you my thoughts on them. The blush, I like that a lot. I don't like how it's a little difficult to open, and that could just be me, could be user error. I keep opening the mirror side by accident instead of the blush side. Okay, so yes, it does have a peach scent to it, and it does smell more like a real peach than like the Too Faced peach products. This smells like an actual peach and not like peach scented. As for the Hourglass Veil Powder, I love this. I think that just did a fabulous job of kind of evening out my skin tone, really setting everything. My skin looks awful right now anyway, just because of that foundation I have on, so I can't wait to try this with some foundations that I actually like and see how that looks. So excited about that. As for the eyeshadow palette, man, this is just going to be a pass. I'm going to give it one more try, using some different shades, maybe not using as many, because I think if I went in and did more of a natural look where you just stuck to like 2 or 3 shades, I'd do a lot better at it. But again, this just started looking like the same shade all over the place, so don't care for that. And for my lips, I use the Miss Rose lip pencil and lip liner. It's all built in. These are so cool. I got these from AliExpress, and I'll have links below. But on one end, you have the the lip liner, which is retractable, and on the other end, you have the lipstick. So I bought a whole bunch of these, and they're very comfortable to wear. They're not drying at all. And this is in the shade 07 Violet Fatal. For my bronzer today, I went in with my Makeup Revolution Bronze and Glow Chocolate Palette. So I'm wearing chocolate and peaches and chocolate. And then for highlighter today, I am wearing the Urban Decay Kristen Leon collaboration, and this is what her highlighters look like. I'm wearing the one in the very center here, and just lightly have that on the cheeks and tip of my nose. And then for contour today, I went in with my Tarte. This is in Hotel Harris. And I just took that right into there real lightly. So this turned out to be more of a glam look than I was going for. I was actually going for more of a simple daytime look. So I think once again, I took it way over the top. But yeah, don't like the eyeshadow palette so much, but I'm going to give it another shot. So anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. I'm sorry if this got a little long once again. I'm going to try and edit as much stuff out of it as I possibly can, and that means I need to stop talking right now and wrap this up. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment and just hit that subscribe button along with the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. And if you have any questions, comments, anything like that, feel free to leave those down below. So as always, you guys, I love you, and bye-bye.